Hi friends, my name is Usmansheikh and in this video I am going to perform lab of redistribution. You can see there are three routers and I'll configure OSPF on these two interfaces and EIGRP on these two interfaces. I have to configure basic configuration over this router already. So I'm going to configure OSPF, enable configuration terminal, router OSPF on network 3.0.0.0 to 0.255.255.255 area 0, enter, exit. Now on the next router, enable configuration terminal, interface CEO 0, configuration terminal, router OSPF 1, network 3.0.0.0 0.255.255.255 area 0, and exit. I have to configure one protocol. Now I'm going to configure another protocol EIGRP on its and other interface on its 0/1 interface. So for this purpose, router EIGRP, EIGRP 0, router EIGRP 1, network 1.0.0.0, and I have to configure EIGRP interface. I'm going to configure EIGRP protocol and exit. Now you can see I have to configure two protocols over this router. Okay, now the next router, enable configuration terminal, router EIGRP1, network 1.0.0.0, enter. Okay, now I have to configure the protocols over these three routers. Now I'm going to check to ping the route. So I'll ping from this interface to this interface, either is it pings or not. So for this purpose, ping 1.0.1.1.1, and it's not pinging. It's not pings because there are two protocols. The multiple protocols are running in this interface and in this router, and this router is between these two routers. That's why the information can't move between them, because the different interfaces, two different protocols are configured in it. So I will perform redistribution between these protocols. In this way these two interfaces will communicate to each other. Okay, now I'm going to perform redistribution over router 2. So for this purpose, first of all, I will redistribute OSPF into EIGRP. Okay, router EIGRP 1, redistribute OSPF 5. OSPF 1 is a process ID of OSPF, you can see, and space and metric space. Now put the question mark is showing that the bandwidth metric in kilobits per second. So I'll put the bandwidth. I want bandwidth 64000 space and question mark. Now again put question mark. EIGRP delay metric in 10 million second units. I put any one of the command, any one of the value from these value, and so I will put the value anyone like as 1000. Okay, now again question mark. EIGRP reliability metric where 255 is 100% reliable, so I will choose this metric 255. Again question mark. EIGRP effective bandwidth metric loading where 255 is 100%, so I will put again 255 and question mark is asking EIGRP MTU of the path, so I put any one of the value. I put anyone like S333, enter. Now question mark is command CR showing the command is complete, enter. Okay, keep remember this command in your mind to redistribute OSPF into EIGRP. Okay, now I'm going to ping the previous interface. The interface, it was not pinging because two protocols are running in it. First of all, I will check its routing table, show IP route, and it's showing that there's only directly connected route in its routing table because I have to advertise my OSPF into EIGRP, not EIGRP into OSPF, so I have to advertise OSPF into EIGRP, so I will check it in it. Exit, show IP route, you can see missing route advertised in it. Now I am going to redistribute EIGRP into OSPF. So for this purpose I will go to router 2 again because two routing protocols are running in it. Exit, and the commands are router OSPF. I have to write here OSPF because I'm going to advertise EIGRP into OSPF, so I have to write here OSPF, enter. Redistribute EIGRP, I am saying redistribute EIGRP1 subnets. These are subnets, and I'm saying for subnets SUBNETS subnets, the command is complete. Now you can check whether the routing table of one is complete or advertise the missing route or not. So I will put again, so it's showing the missing route is advertised here. Now I am going to check the availability of the route. I will ping from this interface to this interface. Ping 1.1.1.1 is pinging 100%, and I also ping from router 3 to router 1. Ping 3.1.1.2, and it's pinging 100%. In this topology, all interfaces are pings to all interfaces. Okay, thanks for watching.